already done so much with your business, and we've created Microsoft 365 Business to help you take it even further. This complete integrated solution helps you securely run and grow your business by bringing together the best in-class productivity of Office 365 and sophisticated security and device management tools. You and your employees can be more productive and work better together with Office apps, email, cloud storage, and a hub for teamwork. You get apps designed to help you build your business by engaging and attracting customers and simplifying processes. It comes with built-in tools that let you manage access to your data, keep sensitive data safe, and keep your business compliant and protected against threats. And it's simple to set up and manage your devices and data. With Microsoft 365 Business, you have one subscription that powers teamwork, helps you grow, and gives you peace of mind, letting you focus on the most important work so you can achieve more every day.